Have you ever pondered the power and importance of array methods in JavaScript? These methods can save you a lot of time and effort when dealing with arrays, which are ubiquitous in programming. Today, we delve into the world of JavaScript array methods, focusing on three commonly used ones: join, concat, and sort. First up is the join method. This method creates and returns a new string by concatenating all the elements in an array, separated by a specified separator string. The syntax is simple: Array.join separator. The separator is optional, and if you leave it out, the array elements will be separated with a comma by default. An example of how to use the join method is as follows. Suppose you have an array of fruits: apple, banana, and orange. If you want to convert this array into a string separated by commas, you would use the code const result equals sign fruits. Join, the output here would be apple, banana, orange. While the join method is a handy way to convert array elements into a string, keep in mind that it modifies the original array. Next, we have the concat method. This method merges two or more arrays, returning a new array with the combined elements of the original arrays. The syntax is Array.concat, array1, array2, arrayn. The arrays to be concatenated are optional. Here's an example of concat in action. Let's say you have two arrays, array1 with the elements A, B, and C, and array2 with the elements D, E, and F. To merge these two arrays, you would use the code const result equals sign array1, concat array2. The output would be. The concat method is great for combining arrays without modifying the originals, but remember that it creates a new array, which might consume more memory if used extensively. Finally, let's look at the sort method. This method sorts the elements of an array in place and returns the sorted array. The syntax is Array.sort compare function. The compare function is optional. If you omit it, the array elements are converted to strings and sorted alphabetically. Here's how you might use the sort method. Suppose you have an array of numbers, 3, 1, and 2. To sort these numbers in ascending order, you would use the code numbers sort A, B equals sign A, B. The output would be. The sort method is versatile and can sort various data types based on custom criteria. However, it modifies the original array in place, so handle with care. In summary, each of these array methods in JavaScript has its unique purpose and use. The join method turns array elements into a single string. The concat method combines arrays without altering the originals. And the sort method arranges array elements in a specified order. Mastering these methods will help you manipulate arrays with greater ease and efficiency.